It's 2026, your bank account is close to zero, bills are winning, and every video says, just start investing.
Stay with me. I'll show you how to go from $0 to your first $50 to $100 invested, even on a low income.
I can investly using nothing much but fractional investing and a simple $1 blueprint. Welcome to Wealth Empire TV, where we help everyday and low-income people turn spare change into smart wealth. The $1 blueprint for low-income investors to build wealth with fractional investing.
I'll give you the main steps here, and if you want the full system, I'll show you how to get the book at the end.
Okay, but first, can you really start investing with $0? Starting with $0 doesn't mean you never touch a dollar. It means you don't wait to be rich to start. You begin with a $1 plan, a clear decision that says, the moment I find even $1, I know where it goes and how it grows.
So the real start is a plan for my first dollar, not the dollar itself.
Exactly. Type in the comments, I'm building my $1 plan. That's your first tiny step as an investor. Where do I find this first dollar as a broke guy? You create it. Here are 4 quick ways. Choose one today. 1. Cancel one small leak. A $5 app you forgot about, cancel it. Boom, that's 5 $1 investments right there. 2. Sell one forgotten item. Old headphones, games, clothes, Clavsliet phone case. 3. Return one thing you never used. Still has the tag? Move that money into a Wealth Empire fund. Babysit, deliver food, help someone move, or do a small online task. Turn your time into $5 to $20. So I'm not waiting for a raise. I'm doing a tiny flip with what I already have. Exactly. Your goal within 24 hours is to have
Okay, I've got $3. Under the pillow or what?
Next. Obviously, we want that money in a place where it can grow, not vanish. You need an investing account that allows fractional shares, has no big minimum deposit, has low or zero commissions, and lets you invest by dollar amounts like $5 or more.
I'm not recommending a specific app. Rules and platforms change, and it depends on your country.
Read the fees and risk info before you open an account.
So if an app lets me buy $1 worth of a real stock or ETF, not a lottery ticket, it's a good sign.
Yes, open the account, turn on fractional investing if needed, and mentally name a part of it. Wealth Empire Fund. Now the scary part. What do I actually buy? Let's keep it super simple. You have 2 basic choices. One company, one stock, a basket of many companies.
Putting your whole $1 into one company is like betting on one player.
For most low-income beginners, a simple, broad fund that holds lots of companies is usually safer than betting everything on one stock. That's your first brick in your wealth empire. So the empire starts with one tiny brick, not a castle. You may ask, how do you keep going? Pick one of these $1 blueprint plans. Plan A, $1 a day. Invest $1 per day or $7 per week, about $30 per month using fractional investing.
Over many years, that small habit can grow a lot if you stay consistent.
No guarantees, just a simple example of how steady investing adds up.
Plan B, 1% of every paycheck. Auto invest 1% of whatever you earn.
$500 paycheck, invest $5. $1,000 paycheck, invest $10.
As your income grows, your investing grows too.
Plan C, 10% of every extra, tax refund, bonus, gift, side hustle cash.
Invest 10% of any extra money. Keep the rest for bills and life.
So whenever money visits me, a tiny piece becomes a brick in the empire.
Drop in the comments, plan A, B, or C. That makes your plan real, not just a thought. Quick reality check. This video is education, not personal financial advice. If you want a clear step-by-step guide for low-income investors, grab my book, From Spare Change to Smart Wealth. From Spare Change to Smart Wealth, the $1 blueprint for low-income investors to build wealth with fractional investing.
This video is the short version. The book is the full roadmap.
Check the link in the description to get your copy and build your own $1 blueprint in detail. To start investing with $0 in 2026, 1. Build a $1 plan in your mind. To start investing with $0 in 2026, 1. Build a $1 plan in your mind.
2. Find your first $1 to $5 in the next 24 hours. 3. Open a fractional investing account.
4. Put your first dollars into simple diversified investments. 5. Choose plan A, B, or C and repeat.
Tiny, repeatable moves. That's how a wealth empire is built.
If this helped you, like this video so more low-income beginners can see it.
Subscribe to Wealth Empire TV for more simple, practical money videos. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next step. Comment Empire if you're putting at least $1 toward your future this week. You don't need to be rich to start. You start with $1 and build your wealth empire brick by brick. This book is a game changer for personal finance. Get your copy and start building wealth today. This book is revolutionizing personal finance. Don't miss the next video on investment mistakes.